how to add page numbers on Google Docs. So all you have to do is go to Insert, which is located on the upper left portion of your screen, and then go to Page Numbers. And then from here, you will see these options. So these options are for the location of your page numbers. Now, when you click More Options, this prompt will appear, which contains the position and numbering of the page numbers. So for the position, you can either select header or footer. So header is when the page numbers are located on top. As for footer is when the page numbers are located on the bottom of the page. Under numbering, you will see the start at and then the number. So say for example, you want your page number to start at page 10, you can type in 10 so that your first page will start at page number 10. When you're done, click apply. And so as you can see, my first page starts at page 10 and then the next page 11 and so on. And so that is how you add page numbers on Google Docs. Thank you and have a great day.